Did you know that obesity rates have more than doubled in the last 30 years? Are we destined to gain weight because of our genes? Or can our lifestyle choices make a difference? Welcome to Fit and Fabulous, your go-to spot for health, fitness, and wellness tips and news. Obesity is a complex condition influenced by a combination of genetic, environmental, and lifestyle factors. Studies show that genetics can account for about 40 to 70% of an individual's risk of becoming obese. This means that if your parents or grandparents struggled with obesity, you might have inherited genes that make you more susceptible to weight gain. For instance, variations in the FTO gene, often called the fat gene, have been linked to higher body mass index, BMI, and an increased risk of obesity. But don't worry, your genes don't seal your fate. Now, let's talk about lifestyle. Despite what your genes might say, your daily habits and choices play a massive role in determining your weight. According to the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, diet and physical activity are crucial in managing weight. Eating a balanced diet rich in whole foods, fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats can significantly impact your weight. Regular physical activity, like walking, running, or even dancing, can boost your metabolism and help you burn calories. The Journal of Obesity highlights that people who engage in regular exercise have a lower risk of obesity, even if they have a genetic predisposition. Here's where it gets really interesting: the interaction between your genes and environment. This is known as epigenetics. Your lifestyle choices can actually influence how your genes are expressed. For example, a study published in Cell Metabolism found that individuals with a high genetic risk for obesity could still maintain a healthy weight through dietary changes and physical activity. Think of it this way: your genes might load the gun, but your environment pulls the trigger. This means that by making healthier choices, you can influence how your genetic predisposition plays out. Let's look at some real-world examples. A 2019 study in Nature Medicine found that people who adhered to a healthy diet and engaged in regular physical activity reduced their risk of obesity, regardless of their genetic risk score. In another study, participants who followed a Mediterranean diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats, had a lower BMI and waist circumference, even with a high genetic predisposition to obesity. Consider Sarah, who has a family history of obesity. By focusing on a balanced diet and regular exercise, she's managed to maintain a healthy weight and feel great. On the flip side, Tom, with a similar genetic background, ignored his lifestyle choices and struggled with weight gain. This highlights the power of lifestyle in shaping our health outcomes. So, what's the takeaway? While genetics can set the stage for obesity, your lifestyle choices are the true game changers. By adopting a healthy diet, staying active, and managing stress, you can counteract genetic risks and take control of your health. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to Fit and Fabulous for more health insights and tips.